Yeah, it ain't louder. God damn, my car sounds so good, bro. Yeah, the downshifts on that shit sound way crazy too. God damn.
That shit moving.
Yeah. Yeah, downshift way crazy. Damn, I'ma still do that though.
Oh yeah.
Cause I want my shit even louder now.
That shit sound crazy.
Yeah.
I thought he was gonna want to get what you got.
Oh yeah, he gonna, yeah. That nigga ain't wanna give my car back now. He ain't gonna wanna give you my damn car back. Downshift again? Yeah. Appreciate you, bro. That shit sound crazy. It sounds so much different when I'm not in the car. Yeah, I had to get it.
I'm about to see if I can trade my shit in today.
Hey, yo, I told you I was gonna want to give your car back. You want to go trade it in?
I don't want this shit.
Yo, I'm gonna see y'all. We going down the street, right? Yeah. All right. Yo, so big shout out to my boy Derek, man, for driving my car. I had to hear the sounds for myself, cause I never really heard it, and I had to get some clips for TikTok, man. I rock with my people that support me, man. So I had to let him do that real quick, get the noises from the car. He said he about to trade in the Daytona, he just got it. That's why if you got a friend that owns a Hellcat and you got a Scat Pack or anything lower than that, don't drive it, because I promise you, they're gonna make you trade in your car. But we about to head to Titan Motor Works, which is a little shop down the street. They do a lot of good work. We about to go meet up with my boy and his Scat Pack. He got a real nice car too. And then we just gotta get some stuff quoted for like PPF, because we're getting this car fully ready for the spring, y'all. Full PPF, full paint protection. I'm getting a new, matter of fact, I ain't even gonna tell you, I just gonna have to stay tuned and watch the videos. But I'm getting a couple mods I'm ordering all today. We're gonna get a bunch of new stuff for the car, so stay tuned. We gotta go head down the street real quick. Yo, 10 times better with the race bullets, bro. 10 times better. So if you haven't watched my last video, we just left the shop. My boy got his Daytona Charger. He got his man mufflers cut off, but he didn't do straight pipe. He went with race bullets, which is something new. I never really heard of race bullets before. I ain't gonna lie to y'all, they sound pretty good. I just gotta see how long they last on his car. Cause I know a lot of like little race bullets and stuff like that, they rust out pretty bad. So I wanna see how long those last. And then if they last, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut my mufflers. I'm gonna keep the cat delete, and I'm gonna delete my mufflers too, and then replace them with those and see how much sound we get out of that, cause that sounds really good. So honestly, what's the difference?
Bro.
What's the difference, bro? Cause a lot of people be talking about this on YouTube if it's worth it.
Bro, that shit is the pull. I'm gonna keep it a buck from like 0 to like 80. It ain't nothing crazy. It's after 80. It keeps pulling like it's at 60.
No God.
We're at 100. This shit pull like it's going 40. Like you in first gear.
Word.
This shit still pulling hard as a bitch.
Yeah.
And the downshift on the wine with the supercharger.
Crazy. Yeah. In the car, it's different. It's just different, cause it's a complete different experience, bro.
That supercharger and the first and second shift, that shit like kick you in the back. That's bro, that shit is hard, bro.
Oh my God. I can say kick you in the back.
Bro, this shit, I don't even know why they even make 392s. No cap. I don't even know why they make it.
Oh, this is beautiful.
That's an E63,
This
the owner.
is beautiful. This is beautiful, bro. So if y'all know, we at Titan Motor Works right now. They do great work in Rochester, bro. Great work. If y'all want to get any PPF film, they do tail light tint, they do regular tint, they do a whole bunch of stuff. So bring your car up here. Just see what they got in the showroom, though. It's crazy in the showroom, bro. Alright, so pretty much that's it for this video. We went into Titan Motor Works, and the owner, he doesn't like people recording his new car. He got a brand new 765 LT, and he doesn't want anybody recording it because he's trying to do a reveal. So I didn't record in the shop just because I got respect for people's car, man. If you don't want something, you know what I'm saying, I'm not gonna record if you don't want something recorded. So, But that's the end of this video. I hope y'all liked today. Yo, my boy Daytona chargers sound crazy. I think I'm about to do the same thing. So I'm gonna have catless mids and I'm gonna have those race bullets. Because I really do like the way it sounds with the race bullets. So I think I'm gonna do the same thing. Make sure I got all my, might get a car wash. So I think I'm gonna do the same exact thing. Hold on. There we go. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do the same thing down the road because I like the way that sound. But hopefully y'all like the video, man. I'm gonna see y'all in the next one. There's another video right after this because we got a bunch of stuff going on this week because we getting our cars ready for the spring, ready for the summer. So stay tuned for the next video, man. I appreciate y'all for watching, man. I appreciate all the new subscribers, man. Everybody coming down to show love, man. Y'all have a good rest of y'all day, man. Y'all already know the vibes. Stay safe, stay positive, stay motivated, baby. Peace. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video, man.